Display size. Apple iPhone 15 is 6.1 inches. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 is 1179 into 2556 pixels, with 461 ppi density. OnePlus 12R is 1264 into 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 is Super Retina XDR OLED. OnePlus 12R is LTPO 4AM OLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 is Ceramic Shield Glass. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple A16 Bionic. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 is Hexacore processor. OnePlus 12R is Octa-core processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple GPU. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 is 6 GB. OnePlus 12R is 8 GB, 12 GB, and 16 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 is 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. OnePlus 12R is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. OnePlus 12R is 16MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 48MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. OnePlus 12R is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 is 3,349 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. OnePlus 12R is 5,500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. Spec winner.